Alright, now I'm on the highway. Let's get some speed up. And I'll start to talk to see how it sounds. I don't know how it's going to sound just yet, but I do hear a lot less wind now that I have my damn chin guard in, so that's also good. God damn, people, come on. I need some speed. I don't need to be like sitting like traffic. God, why did I come this way? I should have went the other way. I need to get in the fast lane, but I can't. Damn. That's tough. Now they're getting that speed going. That's what I need. Oh god damn it. As soon as I talk, it's like the fucking traffic slows down. I do not like that at all. It's a pretty like crazy experience. Get out your phone, bro. Supposed to be glued to those phones, baby. There we go. That's how I wanted to win, to get up to like, you know, the speed limit so I can really see how this thing will sound when it's time for it, you know. We're going to 80 speed, because I feel like anything that's over like 80 or 90 is going to just be pointless, because the wind is going to be so damn strong. But like this speed right here is like fine though. See the opening, you got to take that. Got to keep moving though, always. Early in the morning, wake, got to wait like a do-rag. So I don't have my phone connected, so I can't really listen to my music, which kind of sucks, but it's fun. You live, you learn, for the most part. Right, so I'm gonna stop here because I pretty much got like what I need. I got some wind noise, I got some all that. So I just want to see what it sounds like when I like speak. I really don't know until like I actually like do like the post production with my camera. So I'm gonna get off probably at exit at the next one. Yeah, I wonder how this sounds. This is where like the most wind is gonna be. The faster I go, you know, like the worse it gets. So just want to see how bad it like actually gets, which I don't know until I'll Arapaho. Ooh, not the Corvette. Nice. It looks pretty sweet. Alright, so we're gonna get out. We're gonna turn the noise cancellation to low, because now we're at -12 at noise cancellation off. So now next I'm gonna go to noise cancellation low and then -12. I'm not gonna do high because I already know high is gonna sound like crap. So I'm not even gonna waste my time with that one. It's like fresh wood.
But what the hell?
Nice. Wait, pause. So that's the DJI mic mini at -12 on no noise canceling. So now we got the mic set to -12 at low in the same position that it was. So now I'm gonna get on back on the highway and see what that's gonna sound like, because like the highway is like the best testing ground for me, because it has like the most wind, and I need the wind. Let's go. I want to go that way, but it's fine. I'm not gonna like cut somebody off, so we'll just keep them going. I don't want to cut nobody off, because then I'll be in like the wrong at that point. So just gotta be mindful and safe. Boy, the Mustang, you don't want these problems. Woo! Tunnels, baby. Gotta love them. Ooh, a Porsche. I don't know if he wants to play or not. No corn. That's funny. No corn. I like that. He ain't one of those corn-fed cars that damn E85. That thing's clean though. Thank you, buddy. Let's ride. Now we're back to it. Got a Lexus to my left. We'll let him go past so I can get behind him. There we go. He was just slowing down for some reason. I don't know why. Can we keep going? Oh yeah, probably because people are trying to merge, so people just be slowing down because they're scared. Keep my composure. We'll be good. That's the main thing about driving out here. You gotta just keep your damn composure. Whoa. Yeah. Yep, there definitely was an accident. That's why that damn ambulance just came by. Yeah, it probably was a bad accident too. Dog, what the? Damn. That's tough. Hopefully everybody's all right. All right, now we're back to rolling. That was some crazy stuff. A bad accident. Like, damn, that sucks, but not much that I can do. All right, so we're gonna keep going at this speed for a little bit to see what it sounds like. Then we'll get off and, you know, switch the mic configuration up, and we'll make the turn around too. Yeah, that tries to be no joke. And for stuff like that, I wouldn't mind being able to lane split, because damn, they had cut off like the whole damn highway. It's like one lane. Crazy. Woo. So we'll probably go for one more exit, then we'll change and get off. So we'll get up at Allen Drive, see what it sounds like, and I want to keep talking so I can see if we'll cause any like static in my voice. Actually, no, we'll keep going to the Exchange Parkway. I want to find out what would be like the best place for this mic. I really don't know yet, so I have to like try out a few things. Of course, there's a goddamn bus only 10 miles away too. Alright, cool. Oh boy, it is warm out here. Alright, now we're gonna get going. The bike's in a different spot. Let's ride. Alright, so we just need to turn around and go the opposite way. That's what I need to do. So I have to figure out a way how to do that. How to do it safely and to where I won't hurt myself. And now we're in a different location. We're on like the side of the helmet, pretty much, in a weird way. I'm trying to find out like different spots. Like I know if it's too close to your mouth, it'll like mess up. So which way do I go? I am so lost right now. He's looking all right, we're gonna tell you this plan. Yeah! Get away, gonna stop him. I don't even know what, but it's coming for you, but it's coming for you. All the other kids with the pumped up kicks, you better run, outrun my gun. All the other kids with the pumped up kicks, better run, There we go, that's what I want. Want that 75 South, baby. Ha ha! Yeah! I gotta go this way. So hopefully this sounds good. I don't know, because it's like not as close to my mouth as it can be. All the other kids with the pumped up kicks, you better run, outrun my gun. All the other kids with the pumped up kicks, better run my bullet. Let's go! Feel like I can breathe. Whoa, Nelly! Whoa, Nelly! Can't take my big fella, come and take me over. Come a little bit closer. All we go together, and we say life is forever. Over, a little bit closer. Ba, 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 ba. You probably can't hear me too well. It's all that damn wind, but can we say life is forever? Come and take me over. Come a little bit closer. All we get together. So I can't be too loud at that frequency because it may sound weird. They have trucks flying rocks at me. That shit hurts. Ooh, that thing dirty as hell. I need to go so I can like switch the whole thing. Go, mic is in the same spot was before, but now we're on -12, noise cancellation off. So hopefully where like the mic is now, it sounds like pretty decent, which I'm hoping. It's a pretty convenient spot for the most part, so. Bopping, boppy, bopping, bop. Alright, so let's see how this one sounds. But my main thing is that I think that the mic where it's at now, I can't hear myself, but yeah, I wish I could like just get back on the highway, byway, fun way, my way. Ah, hell. Ooh, that raccoon got murked. I want, give me all the wind, baby, all the wind. Ooh, a bag, what the? It was floating pretty weirdly. Ah, that hurt a little bit, it hurt my little bow tie. Yeah, the wind is a lot stronger now, which is good. That's what I want. If you're test to see if this thing's like worthwhile, like I'm not gonna return it, but I want it to be like worth my money, you know? Oh, so smells good. Dog traffic. I love it, but I hate it at the same time. Actually, I hate all of it. Ooh, got the Porsche. So many Porsches I've seen though. I've seen like at least 10 of them. Hopefully all this sounds good, because man, I'm trying to like, you know, improve the, well, keep the same quality that I like, but also improve, but also make it more comfortable for me and easier to like manage and like mess with, because I don't want to have to be dealing with like a whole bunch of different stuff. So got the birds in the background, but yeah, y'all be safe, y'all take care, and I'll catch y'all in the next one, because like yeah, I'm gonna be churning these things out, because like I have quite a few things in my mind that I want to do. So